So this is a complete cold start in the garage. It's here. So today we get rid of the stocks. Right now, these are actually 21s. So we're going to 22s. It's gonna be sick. It's in rest mode right now. You see something new every day. Wow. So just got here to put on the wheels and look at this Brabus T63. Matte green's not bad. So yeah, again, the stocks are 21s, 275 all around. But let's go check out what we're putting on. So here we got the new wheels, the 22-inch Forgiatos, and we're running 295s. It's gonna look sick once it's all, you know, aired out and mounted on the car. Man, see that concavity right there? That is gonna make it sick when it's rolling. I'm ready to see the new stance with these 295 Toyos. It's gonna be a little wider, so should look sick. While she's up here, let's get a good look at the exhaust. Nice two big mufflers right here. Pipes in back. Slightly resonator catch here. That's all the way back there. But yeah. Just wait. Might have something crazy coming up for the exhaust. And the first wheel goes on. It's crazy because it's not dropped or nothing, but it's already looking good. Shit, the wheels aren't even cleaned off yet, but look at that. The center caps here. So these aren't the
standards.
The standards.
These are extra $800.
You said they're heavy as shit too.
Yeah.
Ooh. There you go.
I'll hold it back. You spin it. Spin it hard. Yeah, but basically they stay still when the tire rotates around it, like a Rolls Royce wheel.
So once they're mounted, they're all going to be mounted exactly, uniform, upright, and then from there, they'll never move really. The wheels are going to be spinning and they're going to be sitting still, looking sick. So she's finally done. Ooh, that thing is mean. Obviously, what I was talking about earlier, they're gonna stay that way no matter how much the wheels are spinning. Hold up now. Which one are y'all taking? I know for a lot of you this isn't even a question, but hey, some of you might be. Which one are y'all taking? 2019 supercharged V8 Sport? Or I don't know what year this is, but G63 Brabus Kid. Let me know in the comments. And let me know what you guys think about these wheels. Love the black on black. The fitment, like, it actually looks crazy in the back, but obviously FreeBaff style. Once we get the wheels all cleaned up, I'm gonna shoot something dope for y'all. So stay tuned.